Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Mentirang ba kajelau konrat ke sangma kash potrik lalingkot arajar posan ula Aiti yaki check kibakot marshilak tingga Cheque at Puwait League Sports Club bagi association jangka West Cheque Hills District kanang makin dubla ban Pynkhreh nagabenta gajing pelong yakan bigilaya games. Yaki diki check mentirang ba ula Aiti hagajing play yaki jing rakhe dapsi spas nem jogashnong chutwaku West Cheque Hills District ringkat kijisa khilang ju sumbut mentirang ba ubas nyau bhalang dhar ki MLA bikin thop yuba wailat miki shilla peruba lakmen rembui dolor ki weipat.
There is a reason why we have always made sure that the games must rotate to different parts of the state and not be confined to one particular location. Because we want infrastructure in sports to develop everywhere. Because we want the youth of those areas and regions to be excited about the games, participate in the games, and maybe win medals also in the games. We would like to see that there is a strong integration between the different communities of our state. Last time, the contingents from Cheque Hills, Khasi Hills had gone to Tura. Maybe it was for the first time that some of the youths had seen Garo Hills. Today, our youth from Garo Hills and different parts of Khasi Hills will be coming and spending time with the people of Cheque Hills and Jawai. Maybe it will be for the first time that they will be coming to Jawai. It will be a beautiful occasion to exchange our cultures, understand our cultures, work together in harmony. And what better way than to bring people together than through sports. And that is the reason why today we are investing. I would use the word investing, not expenditure. Investing in our youth. The money we will spend for the Meghalaya Games will reap benefits for years to come. As our compere had mentioned in her opening remarks, that if your vision is for 1 year, plant seeds. If your vision is for 10 years, plant trees. But if your vision is for eternity, plant people. We are investing in our youth because we are looking at the future of our state. And I'm very happy to see the kind of work that our headman, who is also the chairman of the municipal board, our local MLA, Mawailar, and the entire administration and department and the community as a whole has done to ensure that they leave no stone unturned to make these games one of the best games that not just this region, but the state as a whole will come to see. So I wish these games the very best. I also would like to give a small contribution to the different associations. I know there are about 21 active associations of different sports here in West Cheque Hills, and you'll have a lot of expenditure trying to organize the different games. I may not be able to give much from my side, but I'm contributing 1 lakh rupees to each of the associations There are 21 of them, so there's a 21 lakh rupees checks are here in my hand. I would like to hand this over to our local MLA, Mawailad Mikishila, so that he can further give these checks to the different associations so that they can prepare for the coming Meghalaya Games.
Kublai ciboni gue mentah ini warak kam tamu di siwa meliu ke tim dia ki. Usiam dong keniye ko man ko record ni Meghalaya Game ko. Kawin ko yusup ko buka kat sopai dem tri dem rong lut. Kiluti kisken demiat demha. Keburam. Kumi kemai kublai yang kerapang yang cip ni saru borom yogi. Wada eu gelar wan ni Meghalaya Game hak cinong ke tahu distrik yogi. Yo gilat yo ikabu vicem. Kam tam hakileng murau gi bruyo ke sarkar ko emaga office wan gi athletics kelen ni ga pok state jongi dan lamba kala do gi atletik kinong ni chimenta ni ga Meghalaya Game jan ni guman kamasan hajarut hawa hanai